is up, guys? Sophia here, and today I am giving you a little something simple. You know, I can be a bit extravagant with the hair, but I don't know. I feel like it depends on your definition of extravagance, because this might be, you know, a lot for some people, but it isn't. It is really easy, simple, and the ponytail is really like small and cute, and I like it, and I want you to like it. That's why I'm showing you how to get it. So before we get into the video, if you want to stay updated on all my videos, then go ahead and subscribe, give me a follow, however you can manage on staying updated with me. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video, shall we? All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is, I don't know, I like adapted a British accent like right there. I have no idea what that's about. The first thing that I'm going to do is part my hair a little bit towards the front, not exactly towards the middle. And then just make a curved part. Okay, so we are going to work with this side of our head first, or my head. You're not here, so my head. We're going to work with. And so since my hair is kind of short right here, just to kind of get it under control, I'm going to use this Shine and Jam conditioning gel. And then we're going to part this right in the middle. And then we're going to put this into two thingamajigs. So pretty simple. And so I actually got some new edge control stuff from the beauty supply store. I have never seen this a day in my life. It is in this Eben Edge Tropical. So we're gonna hope that this stuff works. And you just use a rubber band to secure it. Okay, so I'm actually just gonna do the rest off camera. And so I'm just gonna do like, put this one and then cut this and then this one, and then I'll show you what happens next. Right, so I have 4 things here. It's not like the most even. I don't know what that's about, but I must have just not been paying attention. But anyway, I am going to just cross, like make an X. And so get this out of the way. You're just gonna take one like this, and then we're gonna put the rubber band over this one. Going to move to this side, in which we're just going to do, so we have another small part here in which I am just going to do a flat twist. You could choose to braid it, but like, I don't know, like with my nails, and because it's quicker, I just prefer like doing flat twists. All right, my twist looks a little busted, but once I kind of tie it down, it'll work out. That's just because a lot of product is on it. So now that I have this section, I'm just gonna do like the same type of 4 thing that I did on the sides. Like this, I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm gonna cross it, and then I'm gonna do this right here, this right here. And so yeah, why I am telling you that is because I don't feel the need to do all of this on camera, just because it's like a repetitive thing. I'm just gonna go bam, 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 bam. It's just gonna be a pattern. And so I'll be back once I have this finished. Okay, so I have completed the front of the hair. As you can see, I just followed the same pattern, boom, boom, boom. And then we are going to just put all of this up into a high ponytail. And so yeah, so make sure that it is super slicked down, especially if you're a natural girl like me, and this edge stuff is working relatively good. So let's put this up. So now that we have that done, I'm going to braid my hair into the ponytail. And so since I didn't straighten it, I'm gonna put like a lot of product on it so that it doesn't fly out of the ponytail. So I'm just gonna use some Shine and Jam, and you'll see what I mean. Okay, so it's like soaked with stuff, but I'm going to put this on here, and this is like this much hair. It's in one of those packs that come with like 6 little things in it, and so I don't know how to explain it. It's a pack of hair that has the 6 or the 3 bundles, and to me this is not a full pack of braiding hair. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. It's more like if you were to buy one big pack of braiding hair. I feel like this would probably be a half a pack. And so I'm going to take some of this out just because I plan on spinning that around, and splitting that into 3 along with my actual hair into 3. We're going to braid, and I'm doing this really tight at the top just because I want to ensure that my natural hair sticks when it dries to the braid. So then I'm gonna get some got to be glued stuff with some spray, and I'm gonna spray it back up here where my natural hair is, just because I really don't want, I kind of want it to kind of stay where it is. And then I'm gonna lightly do the rest. All right, and then we're gonna leave that to dry for a moment while we toy with this. And I'm gonna get a little bit of gel. I'm just gonna slightly do like a little twist in it for wrapping. You shouldn't need to bobby pin it in place. It should just be, I braided this very tight, but you just kind of want to pull the outer edges just a little bit to give it a different feel to it, I guess. Not a lot, but like a little. Okay, once that's done, we're just gonna get some little string just for a little decor, I guess. All right, so we have added this little string, and I have kind of tamed my edges a bit with my new edge stuff, and I'm feeling it. Like, I know this wasn't about the edge stuff, but it's hard to lay down my edges because I have, you know, some beads at the front, so, you know. Anyway, this is the overall look. It was really simple, and I like it because, you know, it's like a smaller ponytail. I know I can go big, and then this one is small, and so it's super simple. And so yeah, that's it. I guess I said that like 5 times already. So I'm gonna end the video now. If you like this video, if you like me, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, give me a heart, give me a comment, give me something positive. If you want to stay updated on all my future videos, then go ahead and do that by hitting the subscribe button. All right, guys. All right, I will see you guys another day, another time. Bye, y'all.